everybody, this is Cayenne, aka Spicy. I am going to show you how to do your eyebrows. Disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I taught myself a while ago and I seem to get a lot of compliments on my eyebrows, so I figured why not show people how I do my own. I only use a pencil and concealer. As you can see, my natural brows are fairly decent. All I really do is, clean them up a little bit, so fill them in. So yeah, this is gonna be pretty fun. Let's get started. So, gotta make sure I sharpen my pencil. So let me do that now. All right, we got a sharpened pencil there. So we're gonna start off by, I use my spoolie and I brush it out, make sure it's not too wild. And then what you wanna do, or what I do, is I begin by drawing a line underneath. I go to the natural shape of my own brow. I don't go outrageous and draw overboard. Next, I draw a line on top, but I don't start directly where my hair starts, I go a little bit back and I draw a line on top. So then I just fill in from that point. It's okay if you go a little bit wild because of course you're going to clean up with concealer. And at the beginning, I take my pencil, I hold it sideways, and then what I want to do is just do light strokes upward. Later on, I'm going to show you how to use your spoolie and fade it. So I don't, everybody has their own opinion. I don't prefer the more boxy dark look. So yeah, next I'm gonna do this eyebrow. So we're gonna again draw the line underneath. It's okay if you get a little bit wild, squiggly, because you're gonna clean it up with your concealer and it's gonna look clean and sharp. Again, when you do the top line, I'm right-handed, so I'm sorry if it's covering, but when you do the top line, you're not gonna start right from the beginning. And that's if you want the faded look for what I'm going for. If you want the more dark boxy look, hey, start from the beginning. And again, sideways, stroke upward in the beginning. Let me fill that in some more. Now you're gonna look a little crazy. It's okay, because again, this is not the final result, even though some people like their brows like this, not me. So now, take your spoolie and you're going to brush outward towards the middle. I'm not sure how to explain that, but I'm just going horizontal, sideways. And as you can see, or hopefully you can see, it's starting to get that fade kind of look that I like. And then I'm just gonna again brush it how it naturally grows, make sure that's neat. Do the same for this one. So I'm just taking it, brushing it horizontally just to kind of fade it. I don't want that boxy look. And then brush it to its natural growth pattern. Okay. So, still not done. Let me fade this in some more. I want to fill this in a little bit more. The concealer that I use, oh, by the way, I use just a regular cheap pencil. This is not the best pencil that I've ever used, but I like to go to beauty supply stores and just get the $1, $2 pencils. I use this concealer. This is, you know, I never go outside of what I know, so I like to try other concealers, but this one never let me down. I just got this from a local beauty supply store as well. They sell them. I live in Michigan. They sell them pretty much every beauty supply store that I've been to. It comes with this little brush, but I don't really use the brush directly on. What I do, take your hand, the back of your hand, just put a little bit on there, however much you think it's going to take to conceal around your brows. You use a flat brush like this. That's what I use. Again, I'm not a makeup artist. Okay. I dip it on both sides. Dip, dip, dip. And then I start off flat. I don't go like this. I start off flat and draw around it to clean it up. I'm probably not doing the best job that I've ever done because I'm pretty far from my actual mirror and I don't want to use the phone camera too much. So bear with me. We'll go on with my natural brow shape. You can, you know, kind of, I guess you can shape your brow any way you like, but I'm just going my natural brow. So I'm a natural gal. And then do the bottom. Now, some people do concealer on the bottom and foundation on the top. I never tried it that way, but I do like the way I do concealer on the top and the bottom. I'm just taking the excess concealer and I'm just kind of filling in around my eyes. So that's not necessary, but yeah. All right, we're finished. No, we're not. Now I'm gonna blend it. Again, I am not a makeup artist, okay? Please don't judge me. Oh, you're supposed to dab it. Oh, you're supposed to tap it. Don't rub it. I don't know. It works for me, so. It never steered me wrong the way I do. And I always get tons of compliments. Must be doing something right, huh? Then what I do is take my spoolie again because it may look too sharp and just blend it out again. I don't know how to do contour, foundation, none of that. So this is normally my final look, how I go out. It's just I do my brows. This isn't my best job. Again, I kind of had to do what I could with my mirror being so far from me. I'm new to this, so I'm gonna get better. The lighting isn't that great, but that's how I do my brows. So thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate you if you watched all the way through. There's gonna be more to come from me and my husband. So we're gonna try to start up our own little stuff. Stay tuned and thanks again.